Hello everyone, my name is Michelle and I'll be teaching geometry for our TCSurge 2.0. This course is going to last 4 weeks long and have 2 to 3 classes each week. In this course, we are going to cover topics taught in Common Core geometry, such as lines, equations, angles, transformations, basic trigonometric functions, 2D and 3D figures, as well as geometric proofs. We will be learning these through remote classes along with many hands-on activities. At the end of this course, we will be practicing problems from actual geometry regions. Course description. Geometry is the aspect of math that improves students' understanding of geometric concepts and formulating mathematical arguments. Students will learn this through developing skills they need to solve complex problems and demonstrating new knowledge in new situations. This course will cover topics including points, lines, coordinate planes, angles, 2D and 3D figures, transformations, and geometric proofs. Taking an Algebra 1 class is required before taking this course. These are our contents covered. Thank you for listening.